Good morning, everyone. So, I am Jimmy. In this session, we are going to discuss with the first unit from the literature, an uncomfortable bed. So, before entering into the chapter, let us know about the author. So, an uncomfortable bed. It is written by Guy de Maupassant. So let us know about him. So this is a brief history of Guy de Maupassant. So let me read about Maupassant. So Maupassant was a French writer best known for his short stories, and also he is very much interested in short stories. And also he wrote around 300 short stories along with a few novels and travel books. He likes to travel. He used to visit all the places. Actually, he likes travel, and also he used to write about travel books. And also, The Necklace and An Uncomfortable Bed are some of his most famous stories. And about him, we can say again, he depicts human lives and destinies and social forces. Then we can say the notable works. His notable works are, first one we can say that Miss Harriet, that was his notable works, and also An Uncomfortable Bed, that is a notable work. Then we can say The Necklace. Then the last one, Mount Oriole. Then some more works are there, but these are the notable works of Guy de Maupassant. So these are all about the author. So next come to the brief history and brief introduction of this story, An Uncomfortable Bed. So let's come to the story, a brief history. And also this is a short story, and also it is written in 1883. This is the era the story was written. And also we can see it is set at a chateau in the French countryside. And as it was set in a chateau, that's a place where the French countryside. So it was set in the French countryside. This story was set in. And the main focus, this main focus, and also the location was in France. And also the specialty of this place, and also usually we can say in outside, because in European countries we can see the dinner parties were most extravagant at that time. Extravagant means very important in that time, because dinner parties usually they used to visit, and also usually they used to make parties when the evening, and usually they visited, and also these dinner parties were very extravagant at that time. Then we can say big furnished rooms with the fireplaces we can see there, and also big furnished rooms. If we go to European countries, we can see just like a big furnished, everywhere we can see it is fully furnished, and also we can see the fireplaces, because usually that's a place it become very cold, because that's a cold region. That's only everywhere, because every homes it is there. We can see the firehouses, fireplaces. Then we can see beds had heavy curtains, and also they are already made, they are already arranged. The beds with the old curtains, all the window will be covered with the curtains. Then we can see hunting dogs. In this story when we are reading, we can see the hunting dogs with them, and also that is the main special, because European countries and also everywhere we can see dogs are the main thing, and also dogs, hunting dogs, they used these hunting dogs. And also we can see at last humor plays a vital role in this story, that we can understand. Why after completing this story we can understand that humor plays a vital role. So come to the story. I will read the story, then after that I will say the meaning. So just observe the text. So one autumn, this is a real story, because this is an autobiography of Guy de Maupassant. So he is saying, one autumn I went to spend a few days with some friends in Picardy. And also one autumn season, during the autumn season, he used to visit, because when we get a holiday, we used to visit other places. Now, same day, the author, he used to visit a place in Picardy. Picardy is the place and also it's a region in northern France. Already we have seen now the story is happened. The location is in France, countryside. Yeah, France countryside, and also he used to spend a few days with some friends, and so he started his journey. Okay, this is all about his journey. And also next come to the second paragraph. My friends were fond of practical jokes, and also he is saying that his friends, he have a lot of friends, but they are practical. They were very fond of practical jokes. When he is coming, they will say jokes on him, and also just like making fun and also doing all those things. But I do not care to know people who are not, but I am not taking care of these things because they can joke, but why am I mind? No, I am not taking care of such and such things. So come to the third paragraph. When I arrived, and also I thought they are just like joking me, and also they are saying all those things to me, and also just like according to me, when I am coming to that place, no, they are not giving anything, but unexpectedly it was a surprise. Come to the third paragraph. When I arrived at the place where in France, Picardy already said, no? Okay, what happened? They gave me a grand reception. They gave me a grand reception. It was a wonder because first time they are giving the reception. And also what happened? Which at once made me rather suspicious. And also when they gave all the things, it's like a grand reception. I became just like I felt it is suspicious. What is suspicious? Suspicious means it's like I cannot believe it. So they cheered loudly, just like they are just like when they are giving the party and also grand reception. All the people were laughing, and also I don't know why the people are laughing. Just like I was confused, and also I was very suspicious because why the people become very happy, and also they are just like making fun on me, and also they cheered loudly, and also I want to know the reason because the first time when I arrived here, they give a grand party, and also this was suspicious. It's like I cannot believe it, why they are giving all those things. So come to the next one. Then not only cheering, then what? Embraced me and made much of me. And also they embraced, just like doing all those things. And also made much of me. Made much of me means what's the meaning? The inner meaning is, just see, gave me a lot of attention and importance. And also they are just considering me, and also they are giving special consideration, and they are giving the importance and very attention. And also what happened? As if they expected to have a great fun at my expense, and also they wanted to make fun, and also so they are giving all the things, and also at my expenses means what? The red sense. Now what is the expense? With me as the target of a joke, and also they wanted to make fun on me because they wanted to make, because they are considering me as a joker. I feel like this. That's what he is saying. So come to the fourth paragraph. I said to myself, look out, old ferret. And also just like I am saying something, because when he is coming, already he came the place because where the party was going on, because where he wanted to go, now already he reached the place. And also when he reached the place, I said to myself, and also when he reached there, he observed something. He looked out, old ferret. Old ferret means what? The meaning is that it's a small cat-like animal which hunts rabbits by entering their burrows and driving them out. And also usually the cats are doing just like a hunting, because some rabbits are there, they are catching the rabbits, that's all. And also he is observing the ferret when he arrived, just like observing all those things. Then they have something in store for you, and also at the time he thought, okay, they also want to store something for them, no, that's only they just like he started hunting. That's what he is observing. He said to himself, just observe, just like he said to himself, because look out, the old ferret. I think up to 1 to 4, I think you don't have any doubt. If there is any doubt, you just ask me. I think you don't have any doubt because the story is very clear for you, I hope. So come to the fifth paragraph. Already he reached the place in France, Picardy already said, and also next the story is focusing on the inside the room, because already when he arrived, the things happened in the just in the first 1 to 4 line. When he arrived, okay, all the things what you have seen, and also all the people are just like giving the party, everything, just like welcoming, and also giving the special attention, everything. So after that, what happened? Then come to the next one. Already he entered into the room. Already the place now where he wanted to stay. Already he entered in the room. Come on, just see the fifth paragraph. During the dinner, the mirth was excessive. Already he entered into the room, and also they give a big party, and also they are celebrating, and also the mirth was excessive. Mirth means the people became very happy. Mirth means happy, and also they become very happy and excessive, lot of plenty, and also just like a they become just like a what's that? We cannot say no. Just like the words are there, very happy and also very enjoyment. I thought because why just like he is the author is thinking why these people are giving this much just like what do we say just like the treat and importance and also attention why they are giving all those things to me because this is an just like I cannot believe because I feel something suspicious doubt because are they joking or something just like he felt like this. Okay, here are people who are really amused, too amused, and also when I am observing the people became very amused and also too amused because they have become very happy. Why these people became very happy? Because I am an ordinary man. Then why these people are doing like this? I thought like this. Okay, I felt like this. So there does not seem to be any reason for so much mirth, and also I am sure that there is no reason for any this much mirth, just like happy, because I am the normal person, then why they become doing such and such things on me? Okay, they must have planned some good job. I know that last the author understood. They planned something because they heard something because they wanted to do something. Actually, just like they wanted to make a good job on me. That's it. Okay, surely I am to be victim of the job. I believe because I understood that because all those things they are doing now. It is because they wanted to joke on me because he is saying that I am the victim of the joke. Victim of the joke means what? Its the meaning is that the person whom the others play a prank upon. Prank means it's like a making joke now. Prank. That's the meaning. Okay. So I am the victim of the joke. Attention. Just like I am the man. They wanted to make the joke. That's it. So come to the sixth paragraph. Already they are making entertaining, and also he started thinking, okay, why all the people are doing like this? Okay, come to the sixth paragraph. The entire evening, everyone laughed in an exaggerated fashion, and also the entire evening, because all are laughing with an exaggerated fashion continuously. Exaggeration means what? More than what was usual and necessary. Just like a what is just like a, what we say. It is an unusual, just like a what we say exaggerated means more than what was usual, because usually we laugh for sometimes, but in this case, in this story we can see they are continuously, the entire evening the people became enjoying and laughing and just like making fun on me, that's it. And also he was confused why these things are doing them by them. So just as a dog can smell whatever it is hunting, just like I started observing why this has started just like a keen observation, no? Because they are doing something, because eyes just like a dog's, dogs find smell, no? Same way he started just observing the people why these people are doing like this. Okay, I could almost smell a practical joke in the air. I can understand they are saying and also they are joking me, just like they are making us a joker. I understood that because I started because by their face we can understand the people are doing like this. Okay. So but what was it? But I wanted to find it because I don't know, they are laughing because I will find it. Okay, what was it? He is asking. So I was watchful. So suddenly when I am observing them, I started watching the people because keen observation, what we are keen observing, what they are saying about me. I started observation, watchful and restless. I became very restless because what they are saying, because I am confused why these people are doing like this. Okay, restless. I did not miss a single word or a meaning or a gesture, and also I started observing the people what they are mean, just like I seem just like what restless. I did not miss a single word because what they are saying I started observing, and also we can say the meaning what they mean because they are saying something. I started observing the meaning, and also gesture, and also their gestures, the positions, what they are moving, where are they moving. These are the things I started observing. Okay, so everyone seemed to be suspect, and also when I am observing the people, everybody seemed to be suspect. Suspect means doubtful, because they are doing something and also they hide something on me. Okay, because they are planning something. I felt like this. Okay, he said, and I even looked distrustfully at the faces of the other guests, and also I feel distrustful. Trustfully means what? Distrustfully means with the suspicion. Suspicion means it's like a doubt, in a way that showed he could not trust them. And also I could not trust the people who are coming from outside, because they are planning something and they have something, because they hide something. I know that when they are movement. And also up to 1 to 7, I think 1 to 6, I think, hope you understood the story, and also it was very clear. And also if you have any doubt, you just ask. And also saying this, I am going to, and also the rest part will be continued tomorrow. And also if you have any doubt, you just contact. So with this, I am going to wind up this session. Thank you.